So today we're going to be opening up 2021 baseball cards. It's a hanger pack I bought at Walmart. Had to stay in line and wait for it. You're limited to like 3 items. This hanger pack has 50 cards. It includes 6 hollow orange and 2 diamond parallels. Turn back the clock with retro 1987 card designs. And discover new inserts including trending and unleashed and more. Next week I will be opening up the Heritage Baseball blaster box that I also got from Walmart. So stay tuned for that. All right, so let's open this up. So we're gonna split it in half. Go with the first half. So we got Josh Bell, Kevin Goshen, Nolan Arenado, Aaron Nola, Blake Snell, Nelson Cruz, Pablo Lopez, Walker Buehler, Dustin May, Brian Anderson, Sonny Gray, Jose Ramirez, Nolan Ryan, that right there, Shane Bieber, Paul Konerko, Chris Paddock, Babe Ruth, interesting, Danielson Lamet, turn around, Troy Gloss, Christian Yelich, George Brett, put that one over there, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Ryan Sandberg, I'll put that there, German Marquise, Oral Hershiser, Aaron Judge. I turn it around. Oh, we got a jersey card. Look at that. Not bad. Max Fried. All right, that's pretty cool. Nice and thick. Not numbered, but pretty nice, huh? All right, we got a jersey card. That's cool. All right, let's see what else we got. Now we're getting into the inserts. We got Walker Buehler, kind of like a star card, not quite sure. It feels a little different on the back. That's interesting. Oh, look at that. There's the orange card. Brad Hand. That's interesting. Not bad. They're nice looking cards, those orange. Kyle Lewis, rookie of the year last year. Lance Berkman, orange. Pete Alonso, orange. And career wins, Roger Clemens. Nice. One of my all-time favorite pitchers, Roger Clemens. And then we got Nelson Cruz, Diamond Rings, Kings. There we go. That's cool. Purple. Nice. Oh, look at that. Nice. Rookies. Look at that. We got Joey Bart from the Giants. The rookies with that special card. I guess it might be a diamond parallel possibly. That's sweet. Dominators. Another insert. Oh, Quinn Griffey Jr. Nice. Just gonna put him over there. Diamond Kings. Whit Merrifield. I got some rookies now. Christian Javier, rated rookie. Bigfoot. I guess that's a nickname of Chicago pitcher. Put that over there. Trevor Bauer. There you go. Diamond Kings. All right. We get another rookie, rated rookie. Jazz. I can't really pronounce his last name. We'll just put it down there. We got Clayton Kershaw. Nice. Leather Diamond Kings. Miguel Cabrera. Rated rookie. Sam Huff of Texas. What we got here? And we got Bo Bichette. Second year card. Nice. And the Tomei Nater. Jim Tomei. Nice. And Diamond Kings, Anthony Rizzo of the Cubs. Got another rated rookie, Loide Tavares. And our last card, Yadier Molina. Okay, not a bad hanger box. Out of that, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange that we're supposed to get. So that was good. We got 4 rookies. We got some Diamond Kings. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got a jersey card, not bad. We got a Manny Machado Dominators. We got a hot rookie and Joey Bart from the Giants. And we got a Stars card. So I'm pleased with the hanger box, not bad. Well, thank you for watching that hanger box opening. Stay tuned for more openings of other types of cards, basketball, football, and baseball. Thanks for watching.